If you are thinking about simplifying your life without sacrificing comfort or functionality, then this home may be for you. Today I am in Waterfall Canyon subdivision and it is show and tell time. Inside, this single-level home offers an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, fresh interior paint, central air conditioning, and a radon mitigation system. One of the standout features is the separate flex room. Whether you work remotely, love crafts, need a workout area, or simply extra space to fit your lifestyle, this room gives you plenty of options. It is fresh, it is clean, it is fenced, it is landscaped, it is move-in ready. The only thing missing is you. If you're looking to buy or sell, then give us a shout. We don't make a lot of noise about ourselves, but we certainly will do some chest thumping over you and your property.